Hello Math World! Today we're going to talk about subtracting integers. Now you all did a great job adding integers, so the best thing about subtracting is we're just going to change the subtraction problem to an addition problem. So to remember our addition rules, we already know that adding a positive to another positive equals a positive. We know that adding a negative to another negative gives us a negative answer. And we also know that if we have a positive number added to a negative number, we find the difference by subtracting and keeping the sign of the larger integer. So 4 and 20, the difference is 16. 20 is larger than 4, so the answer is negative. Alright, so now how can we change the subtraction problem to make it that easy? Let's take the subtraction problem 20 minus negative 5. Now that can be a little confusing because there's two negatives in there, but let's learn the trick. The trick we're going to learn is called keep, change, change. And what that means is we're going to keep the first number, 20. We're going to change that subtraction sign to an addition sign. That's the whole point. Change the subtraction to an addition sign. Yes, we can do that as long as we make one more change. We change the next number, whatever sign it is, we change it. So this 5 is negative, we'll change it to a positive. What's 20 plus 5? That should be easy, 25. It's that simple. Let's try another one. How about negative 16 minus 8? Let's use the same trick. Keep the first number, keep the 16, it stays a negative 16. The subtraction sign changes to an addition sign every time. And lastly, we take that 8 and we change its sign. That's a positive 8, so let's make it a negative 8. Now we can use our addition integer rules. Negative 16 plus negative 8, those are both negative, so our answer is negative. 16 plus 8, 24. Our answer is negative 24. And this works no matter which way you do it. We can have positives and negatives all over the place, and it doesn't matter. It even works for an older problem like 10 minus 4. You know that 10 minus 4 is 6, but let's prove it with keep, change, change. 10, keep it. Change the subtraction to an addition. Change the 4 to a negative 4. 10 plus negative 4. Different signs, find the difference. The difference is 6, and who wins that battle? The positives. Positive 6. Keep, change, change. That's how we subtract integers. Well, that's all. See you in class. Now for a word from our sponsor, Papercut Games. Today's game is Rave Rats. Rave Rats is one of my favorite games because it's so small. The entire game comes in this little package. Inside you get a bunch of little rat cards that will battle each other, red versus blue. And it kind of works like war, where you lay them out and whoever has the highest number wins. However, each of the cards have special abilities, like some of them will get you 2 points, some of them will help their friends, some of them will win if they're the smallest. And it's a really quick game. There's only 8 cards on each team, and you can take it wherever you want. And I love this game so much, I even made my own cards. And it's only $10. Check out Rave Rats.